Hello! So, Fortnite balloons are the thing at the moment. Apparently, at the moment, the most popular pickaxe is a balloon pickaxe. So, yay! It is the simplest thing in the world to make. You will need 260s in lime green and wild berry. These are pretty almostly exact the colours that they are in Fortnite. So we're just going to pump these up pretty much all the way, maybe like 2 fingers on the end there. Actually, no, we're not. We are going to do them all the way. Yeah, there we go. But just give it a bit of a burp so it's sort of soft. Turn it off, exactly the same with the pink. So I've made a ton of stuff over the years. Honestly, this very simple balloon is probably the thing that's impressed my kids the most. Honestly, don't know why. Right. You want to take it probably for 11, 12-ish fingers. Lock them in together. You want 2 pinch twists. Pinch twist in the pink, pinch twist in the lime green. We are now going to twist them. Just basically twisting them around themselves. Lock them off. Again, you want a pinch twist in the lime green. You want a pinch twist in the wild berry. Now you can just do 2 pinch twists. I like ideally to do 2 pinch twists in the lime green. Now, I didn't quite have enough air, but, and I still haven't got enough air. That's all right. We'll stick with 2 for now. If you've got enough balloons or do 3 pinch twists, it really doesn't make much of a difference. As I said, it's the simplest balloon in the world. Bash your child on the head with it. Ta-da! 1 balloon pickaxe.